SAE is a design-build engineering firm that for over 25 years has specialized in delivering innovative grounding and cathodic protection systems. The SAE EnvirAnode system represents the culmination of nearly 10 years of R&D and field trials in challenging environments. The EnvirAnode system is installed using typical drilling and grout pumping equipment. The EnvirAnode system efficiently manages gassing in deep anode beds, eliminating the need for a vent pipe. The advanced extended life AEL anode consists of a mixed metal oxide core and a proprietary water impermeable conductive surround. SAE's proprietary NSF 60 certified Conducrete backfill, which is pumped from the bottom up, displaces water and drilling mud up and out of the hole, seals the bed, and protects the anode wires from damage. These close-ups show Conducrete's advantages. Conducrete sets as a solid column and knits into the soil, resulting in improved conductivity, moisture retention, and resistance to osmotic drying effects. Conducrete backfill sets as a solid column in the anode hole, thereby preventing aquifer contamination, a major environmental issue for regulators and landowners. This cross-section shows how the EnvirAnode system electronically transfers current from the central MMO anode to the AEL surround, and then to the Conducrete backfill. The impressed current flows electronically through the solid Conducrete backfill column to become ionic flow at the soil interface. This improves performance and longevity as these EnvirAnode system components are consumed progressively from the outside of the column inwards, while conventional coke breeze anode beds deplete the anode and the coke breeze backfill simultaneously. Traditional coke breeze systems have the following weaknesses. Installation is more cumbersome because of vent pipes. Vent pipes can release corrosive or noxious gas to the atmosphere and are susceptible to blockage that may shut down the system. Both the vent pipe and porous coke breeze allow water migration between aquifers, which impacts public water supplies. Outgassing may contaminate the air and occurs throughout the coke breeze column. Potable aquifer contamination is a major environmental hazard, drawing increased scrutiny from regulators and landowners. A cross-section of the traditional coke breeze system shows gas being generated at the anode core and water inside the system. Eventually, gas pockets block current, which could shut the system down, if not vented properly. Current conducts ionically from the anode surface, causing more rapid depletion of the anode bed. Most gas is generated at the anode coke breeze interface, which may isolate the anode surface and shut down the cathodic protection output. How do the systems compare in performance and longevity? Projected performance up to 40 years is illustrated. The traditional graphite or silicon iron anode begins to deteriorate immediately. In the EnvirAnode system, only the carbon in the Conducrete backfill is consumed initially. At 12 years, voids occur in the coke breeze. At 18 years, soil bridging occurs due to collapsed walls in the coke breeze anode hole. At 20 years, the coke breeze system fails and must be replaced immediately. The EnvirAnode deep anode bed system continues to perform up to 40 years. The EnvirAnode deep anode bed system offers stable electrical performance over an extended life. This chart illustrates the extended life of the EnvirAnode system. The blue line represents the EnvirAnode system. The red line represents a traditional coke breeze system. The center dotted line shows the coke breeze system failing before the 20-year mark, while the EnvirAnode system continues to function up to 40 years. The following lifecycle cost comparison shows that the EnvirAnode system has a lower capital cost in 3 areas. Fewer EnvirAnode systems are required to achieve the same level of protection because there is no depth limitation, allowing for higher capacity beds. EnvirAnode systems do not need replacement over their projected life of up to 40 years. There are virtually no decommissioning costs associated with the EnvirAnode system since it is inherently sealed when constructed. Together, these 3 issues dramatically demonstrate a lower lifecycle cost of deploying the EnvirAnode system deep anode bed technology. The EnvirAnode system deep anode ground bed is the environmentally safe solution. Conducrete is the only NSF 60 certified cathodic protection backfill and bore sealant. Low outgassing, no vent pipe, and longest lasting performance. Best overall value for money. Which technology do you want to protect your assets? The answer is clear. The EnvirAnode system. The business case is compelling.